And do you know the place where this alleged plot was hatched?
Indawo la khona ke itulo leli ke bathi ila elahlelwe khona ke konke ke kwenziwa kwakhulunywa khona lapho ngabe uyayazi indawo leyo la ukuhlela lokho kwakwenzeka khona. No, I don't know.
Now, Mr. Ntanzi, let's come to the part that I said you'll come back to later. You testified when I stopped you to say, where did you sign this statement? Did you sign this statement in the presence of the magistrate or somewhere else?
Bengishilo ukuthi sizobuyela ke kulona udaba lolu mala nokuthi ke istatement lesi wasayindela kuphi ke ingabe istatement lesi wasayindela phambi kwayo imantshi noma kunendawo nje thizeni la wasayindela khona?
Nisanele kwenye indawo hayi phambi kwakhe.
I signed it somewhere else, not in the present, not in her presence.
In your own words, explain the circumstances leading to now you signing the statement.
Awusho ke indlela ke kwenzeka ngayo ke ukuthi ke usayinde ke istatement lesi.
Okokuqala kosenkantolo mina kumama omlungu lo angivalelisanga ngayisukumela ngayihambela ngoba ngangilokho ngibhizi ngicela ukufona ngafuna ukungifonisa ngasukuma ngayihambela.
Firstly, my Lord, I did not say my goodbyes when I left the white lady. I just got up and I left because I kept on repeatedly so asking to make a call, and my pleas were being ignored. So I just got up and I left.
Umnyango lo ngizivulele mina mangivula nangulo cause uJonathan lo nalo obejolo ukhlala lapha ecourt ukuthi igama lakhe ngiyakhohlwa.
And when I opened the door, my Lord, Jonathan was there, and the other gentleman, the witness pointing behind him, the other gentleman that used to sit here in court, it's just that his name, I forget his name. Because there was nothing that she was assisting me with there. I kept on making a request to make a call, but there was no response forthcoming. And when I went out, we then went down the stairs together with Jonathan and the other gentleman that used to sit here. When I got down there, my Lord, Mukhanya was there, Mabena was there, as well as the other escort guys, the likes of Buthelezi.
Ba uJonathan uvula imoto ngiyavula ngiyangena umhano uyaphuma unyuka itebhisi zona lapha engiphuma khona uyaphezulu futhi mangifika phansi uJonathan uvule abantu bakhona emotweni kuyabanda ngidivela uvula umnyango uJonathan.
When I got down there, my Lord, because it was cold, Jonathan then opened the door.
Ngiyangena emotweni ngiyahlala.
I went inside the vehicle and I sat.
Umhano uyaphuma unyuka itebhisi zona lezi engehle ngazo.
Mukhanya then went out, my Lord, and went up the very same stairs that I used to come down. As to what it is that he went to do there, I don't know, because it was not like in a quick thing for him to go and come back. It took some time. When he came down the stairs, he did not get inside the vehicle. He was in possession of that brown envelope. He was speaking on his phone. I don't know who he was talking to. When he was done, entered the vehicle, he started the vehicle, reversed the vehicle, he got onto the road. I could not see initially where we were going, but as I am someone who is observant, my Lord, I then noticed some boards written Germiston. That is where the vehicle drove into some factories, because there was a circle where it turned and then drove into those factories.
ngapha kunama dustbin ngoba yabona ukuthi lapha abachitha khona izinto eziphuma ngaphakathi lapha basuke besebenza.
And then on the other side, there are some dustbins, and one is able to see, my Lord, that that is normally where they would then throw the rubbish, because coming from inside where they were working.
Ngoba imoto la ngangigibele yagibela phezulu la kulesekelo lesekela khona noma sengasakhumbula ukuthi inotshani niphansi kodwa niyagibela nje yagibela khona la imoto ngoba imoto enkulu.
Because the vehicle that I was traveling in, my Lord, it did not go around the circle, it drove over the circle, because there is some grass there, my Lord, because it is like in a bigger vehicle.
Uthe Nkosi enkantolo ngingakaphensi isikhathi engakaphuma emotweni nazi imoto egcwala nje kukhona neBM emhlophe khona.
In no time, my Lord, there were some vehicles, so that place was just filled with some vehicles, as well as a white BMW.
Kulesi sikhathi ke sengibona sokuqhamuka noba Gininda nomhula.
That's when I then noticed Gininda and Mukhula.
Lesi sikhathi sengikhishwe emotweni ngikhishwa uMabhena.
That's when Mabena took me out of the car.
Bayasondela bonke ne-escort beza khona la duzane nami.
All of them then drew closer, together with the escort, drew closer to me.
Kulesi sikhathi uMabhena ke sengiqala sengitshela ukuthi zenza ukuthi uhlakaniphile.
That's when Mabena then said to me, "Oh, you think that you are smart."
Ngoba ngiphuma emotweni imoto emkhapha emveni kwami bayivala umnyango ukuthi vele mangihlehla ngizoshayisa yona.
Because, my Lord, the way in which the vehicle was parked, it was parked right behind me, so that if I move back, then I would stumble against the vehicle.
Kulesi sikhathi ke kukhishwa lamaphepha ke ebanjwe so kuthiwa uyasayina noma usayini.
That's when the documents were taken out, and then it was said to me, "Are you signing or not?" When I refuse, then the plastic.
Lesikhathi ke uJonathan lo ukutheleze ngibambelana lo isigolo lo behlala la.
That is when Jonathan held me here.
Uthelezi no lo. So not Jonathan lo behlala la ngilazi igama lakhe.
That is when then Butelezi would hold on to me, my Lord, together with a gentleman that used to sit here. His name is unknown to me.
Lesi sikhathi ke ngifaka uplastic ke kuthiwa ngisayine lapha ngalokho ngala ngaye ngaze ngagcina ngathi ngiyasayina Nkosi enkantolo nami ngiyayisave manje.
That is the time when the plastic was put over me and told to sign. I would refuse and refuse, but eventually ended up signing because I was also saving myself.
Kulesi sikhathi kuMabhena engikhipha ngoba ngakhishwa uMabhena handcuff la ukuze ukuthi ngisayine kahle.
That's when the handcuff was removed, my Lord, because Mabena is the one that removed the handcuff so that I'll be able to sign properly.
Ngoba amaphepha ngiwasayine banjwe nguye uMabhena kanje ethi sayina la engikhomba ngiyasayina la uGenindo khona.
Because as I was signing the documents, they were held by Mabena like this, my Lord, and he's the one that was directing me, sign here, sign there, and Beninda was standing right there, or right here.
Sayina kwaba kuye ukushaya kwami ngagcina lapho vele ukushaya.
I signed, and then that's when the assault stopped on me, my Lord. That was the last time I was assaulted.
Okay, now you say, Mr. Ntanzi, you are taken to this industrial area. The car comes to a halt at some circle. Within no time, Brigadier Gininda and Mohola arrived. Mabena says to you, you think you are smart. What did you think he meant by that, and within what context?
Usushilo ke nafika lapha imoto yema ke wafika ezinye imoto Mukhula noGininda bafika uMabhena sethi kuwena ke ucabanga ukuthi ke uhlakaniphile ke uma ekusho lokho wena ke wacabanga ukuthi ke usho ukuthini noma kungani esho usho ukuthini lokho futhi kungani ekusho lokho.
Okusho ukuthi Nkosi enkantolo mina ngoba masifika lapha angisukanga ngaphuma emotweni baphumile bathi ukukhanda i-meeting bodwa khona la.
My Lord, upon arrival there, I did not immediately get out of the vehicle. They are the ones who went out and held their own meeting over there.
So kulesi sikhathi sengivulela lesi sikhathi sengithola amagama shothi basebetshene ukuthi hayi lo muntu lo unqabile ukusayina usuke wayihambela.
I then think, my Lord, it was after that meeting when they held that meeting there, when they then told each other or were told that this person refused to sign, he just left.
Ngoba khona Nkosi enkantolo uMabhena ungihlukumezile kakhulu inhliziyo.
Because, my Lord, Mabena emotionally traumatized me.
Now, when you say the gentleman that usually used to sit at the back of where you are and Buthelezi held you, who used the plastic bag on you?
Uma uthi ke ubuthelezi nalo baba ke owejwayele ukuhlala la ababekubambile ubani owafaka uplastic?
uplastic nkosekade lo ngofaka umabhela ngithi amaphepha kawaphathe ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi anginike ngasena akubaba ugeninde ngambona uyawadonsa uyawafunda ngithi.
The person that put the plastic over me was Mabena. At that time, he did not have the papers with him. The papers were with Gininda at that time. He was looking at them, reading them.
Ngoba ungifaka uplastic ngiyazama ukudluthuza kuhlutuzeka after that bese ethi naka amaphepha sayini.
He places the plastic over me. I tried to fight off, but without any success, my lord. Thereafter, he says, here are the documents, sign.
Anginike ipeni lesikhathi ke mangibamba ipeni ngabe isikhathi esekhipha ihandcuff ngalesikhathi ke sengisayina.
He then says, here are the papers, sign. He gave me a pen. When he gave me a pen, that's when he then uncuffed my hand, my lord, and then I signed.
So that you are clear, Mr. Ntanzi, did you sign those documents freely and voluntarily out of your own volition?
Ukuze ke si kucaceke lokho. Uma usayinda ke lapha usayina amaphepha lawana ingaba wawasayinda kuphuma kuwena wasayina ngokuyithandela?
Cha nkosekade ngisayina ngokuthanda kwami.
No, my lord, it was not out of my own volition.
Babe ngiphoqa.
They were forcing me.
Ngoba mangithi ngisayina into ngokuthanda kwami kufanele ungishaye.
Because if I sign something out of my own free will, my lord, then you need not assault me.
Now, when you are handed the pen to sign the document that was presented to you, by the way, who came with these documents at that circle at the industrial area?
Ubani oweza nala amaphepha la kule ndawo enanime kuyona. Ubani oweza nawo?
Nkosekade lamaphepha ngithaphuma nomkhane emotweni.
My lord, the person that came out with the documents out of the vehicle was Mukhane and then went over there where they were standing.
As babugeninda khona la nomama lo mamfundisi lapha bakhanda khona meeting.
And then Gininda and Mamfundisi then went to that particular spot where they held the meeting.
Angithi ugeninda lamaphepha yawabuka yawafunda ngithi.
And Gininda was looking at the papers and reading them.
Mayezu lokhuza umabhena ke mina bo Jonathan ngizofaka uplastic na ugeninda ukhona uphambi kwami la umile ufunda lamaphepha.
When Jonathan Mabena were coming to me with the plastic, Gininda was standing right in front of me.
Kwelesi sikhathi ke uma ngithi ke umabhena maqeda ungishophe khipha uplastic unginike ipeni uthi mina uyasayina mawusayina ngithatha ipeni mina angikhiphe ke isandla esiwani ngiyasayina.
It was at that time when Mabena then removed the plastic, gave me the pen, asked me, are you signing or not? I took the pen and I signed.
And when you signed that document, you say one of the handcuffs is released so that you can sign. What was the condition of your wrist with respect to injury?
Uyasho ke ukuthi umunikezwa upen ukuthi usayine njengoba kunama handcuff amabili elilodwa ke la selidedela noma ke likhishwa ke manje ke la kuwena ke ngokuphathelene noma ngokumayelana nokulimala kwakukanjani la kuwena esandleni?
Ngasho ngathi khona kangivusa khona igaziza nginganakanga phela wenhliziyo yami mayihlukumezekile ugcina uhlukumezeka ugcina emukela noma yini ukuthi umuntu akenze into ayithandayo.
I did mention, my lord, that there was some blood coming out, my lord, although I did not take note because when you are like emotionally traumatized, you then accept whatever or allow the person to do whatever it is that they are doing or they would like to do.
Ingakho ngangutshela nawe mmeli wami ngithi lapho ngisayine khona fanga igazi lakho khona lapha la gcotse lakho ngoba ngalaliphuma lama ngibamba ipeni yabona phela ngisayina ngifaka uBS esona.
Hence, I even told you as my legal representative that where I was signing, that document or those documents should have had blood because as I was signing, blood was dripping out.
Now, after you had signed the document at that industrial area, what then happened?
Seniqedile lapha kuleya ndawo leyo ususayindile ke kwenze kwasekwenzekani?
Kodwa nkosenkantolo kwangena emotweni imoto yahamba yizo noma sengasakhumbula iPro station abangihambisa kuyona.
We then got into the vehicles, my lord, and we left, although I am not able to remember the police station that I was taken to.
Now, I want to come back, Mr. Ntanzi, to this critical point that you mentioned, that in the morning, in the afternoon, or when you were brought to the magistrate, before you were taken into the magistrate's room or in the court building and then into the magistrate's room, Sergeant Mohane went ahead first and he had documents in his possession. Remember that evidence?
Ushilo ke ukuthi ke ngaphambi senifikile ke lapho ngaphambi kokuthi ke niyeke kulela gumbi owawukulona noma enani kulona ke uSergeant Mohane wahamba phambili yena.
ungene kuqala mangingakehle emotweni
He went in first before I could get out of the vehicle.
Because enkantolo imoto mayipaka nje lapha sasingene khona itebhisi nazi khona eduze la uyambona umuntu menyuka itebhisi azoshona phezulu ngayitebhisi
My lord, as the car is parking where the parking was, the staircases are right here. So you are able to see someone going up the staircases.
And your testimony, is it correct that you said that he had a document, a brown envelope in his possession when he went up the stairs first?
Ushilo ukuthi ke uma ekhuphuka itebhisi lezo wayephethe i-envelope brown.
yebo ngishilo njalo ngoba
Yes, I said so, my
ngoba
lord,
le ID yami ngiyithola khona phambili
because I even found my ID there.
And when he came back now for you to be fetched and taken to the magistrate, did he come back with that brown envelope that he had?
Uma esebuya ke manje ezothatha wena ke manje ukuthi nawe ke nihambe noma ke ungene ke ubuye esayiphethe leyo envelope brown leyo.
mayebuyeza ke makaye bengayiphethe ubuye ke mase sokuthwanya ngiphume nginyuka itebhisi
No, my lord, when he came back to me, he was not in possession of that envelope. He just came back and told me to go up the stairs.
Now, as you are leaving, you said you then left the office out of your own because you could not get assistance that you were asking from the magistrate. You are at the car and then you are let into the car. Is that your testimony?
Ushilo ke ukuthi uma uphuma kulela office lena ke wavele nje wasukuma wena wayiphumela.
angivalelisanga mina
Yes, I did
ngasukuma
not even say my goodbyes. I just left.
And then your testimony further is that before you left, Mohane then went back into the building, and when he came back, did he have that brown envelope with him now as you are about to leave?
Ushilo ke ukuthi ngaphambi kokuthi nihambe uMuhane wabuyela ngaphakathi. Ingabe uma ebuya ngaphakathi wabuya eyiphethe leyo envelope ebrown?
yebo uyiphethe nkosi ngane
Yes, he had it.
My Lord, I see it's 2 minutes past 1. May we then take the long adjournment?
Yeah, 2 o'clock then.